Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm the TV has an available HDMI and a stable internet connection, because streaming needs bandwidth. Once done, install Iwanttfc on your smart TV or on the streaming device and sign in with your account credentials. This links your subscription to the app. Make sure the TV input is set to the right HDMI source, and if you use a phone to cast, connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV for discovery to work. Next, open Iwanttfc on the TV or launch it on your phone. This step creates the session. If using casting, tap the cast or AirPlay icon and select your TV from the visible devices. This establishes the video stream and remote control link. If you use a streaming stick, install and open Iwanttfc there and follow on-screen pairing codes. Also grant required permissions like local network access so the app can discover the TV. Without permissions, casting will fail. Finally, begin playback and adjust audio or subtitle settings to your preference. This ensures the best viewing experience. If video won't play or stalls, first restart the Iwanttfc app and, if needed, reboot the TV or streaming device. Then power cycle the router and reconnect the device to the same Wi-Fi. If you still see no image, check HDMI cable seating or update the app and TV firmware. These fixes resolve most compatibility and signaling issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.